Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Our first step to do this is opening application with support. It can be Google Chrome settings, something would have more information than you have on the one side of screen, where we can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together. And after that we must push this first button and it is scrolling and adding more information to our screenshot and creating it. When we stop pushing it, we stop creating and create our long screenshot by tap on it and open it in gallery or where you want. And we have our long screenshot which is saved. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!